I am at Mountain Creek.
Yeah, I'm going straight to
riding with a new group, but here's the Ozark Trail Ridge, and
Pro Ultra Plus.
and
Supreme.
I did pre-check YouTube to see if anybody has taken this to Mountain Creek yet, and nobody has. So this is the first. So Devin's gonna send it first, and I would definitely ride this thing and do a review on it. But this is not stock. It's got Shimano MT200 brakes. It's got real tires, bisector, which are kind of mismatched, but high-rise bars, dropper posts. It's got the door.
I drilled out the frame
so you can get more. Yeah, I saw that the lug is gone. So yeah, you will see my impression of this thing. We'll see how far this thing sends. It's a little dusty. Went deep on that one.
Oh.
He worked up to it for 2 minutes.
Not even.
And he was telling me I got balls doing it on this bike. I was like, yo, you're hitting biggest shit on that bike.
He did 3 jumps, and then he went to Lower Dominion. What the fuck?
He also doesn't have the option of casing with that rear wheel on.
Yeah.
My body is not ready for that adrenaline.
Yeah.
I got like wicked adrenaline fatigue. Real quick. Oh man.
That's for Dennis when his bike explodes when he's here.
Sorry, I had to get that out of the way.
Yeah, you just freaking did it without even getting the speed.
Working up to it for 1 minute.
That's the best warm-up trail for that.
Okay, feeling the speed. For those who are unfamiliar with Mountain Creek, this is Lower Dominion, their Black Diamond jump line. This is the biggest jump line on the mountain. The takeoff height is about 5 to 6 feet, maybe even a little taller. The gap distance is between 15 to 20 feet. He hit this thing on the Walmart bike, not even fully warmed up. Literally, he went from the top to here, and that's it. Here's me warming up into it. Not pedaling into it. So the first few laps, I am following Devin. I am on my Kona Honzo ESD that's pretty much worked to the gills. And he is riding his Ozark Trail with, you know, the mods that I mentioned earlier. Barely made that one. You see how fast I am going? He is going a little bit faster than this on that Walmart bike. Damn, it's rolling so fast right now. I can't believe how fast Devin's fucking riding down that of the Walmart bike.
Did that feel no different than my downhill bike?
Like I said, you'll be surprised. I was like, shit, he's going fast on this thing.
Woo! I got a seat grab in already on. Oh, yeah.
On field, sketchy.
TJ, wanna come? All right. Damn, it's so fucking dusty.
Oh my god, it's so loose. All moon dust.
Now, I have no idea what the geometry on this bike is. No one ever talks about it. So I rode this frame completely blind. And after the video, after riding it, I decided to look at the geo numbers. And it's actually pretty pointy. 67-degree head tube angle. And for how fast we were going with it, surprisingly it's stable for such a pointy bike. Yeah, I was surprised by it. You can easily overfork it and bring it down to like 66.
Breaking bumps already.
I will also link the video from Devin, who's the owner of this bike. On his point of view, you'll see him sending some of the bigger stuff with it. You know, I might be a little more apprehensive riding this down some of the steeper sections on it, but yeah, this bike surprised me. And to add to the geometry, riding it blind, I was expecting the head tube angle to be around 66 to 65 degrees. So again, I was shocked that it was as steep as it is at 67 degrees. Reference, the Kona Honzo ESD that I was riding that day has a 63-degree head tube angle stock, and I overforked it, and I have a longer crown fork as well, so it's probably in the 61-degree head tube angle range.
My bike feels longer than yours.
It definitely is.
Oh yeah, I hear the rattling already. Bike feels small. You know what? The fork don't feel too bad on this type of terrain. I just feel the fork topping out, but not bad. Oversent that. Hey, this thing jumps. I'm just not used to this, the brake levers being like this.
We could have ridden the bike more, but the back wheel was on its last leg. Devin did rebuild the wheel the night before, but after one lap, it was completely destroyed, and we were afraid it was going to blow up on us. If the back wheel would have held on, I probably would have ridden Tempest with it. But I definitely would not hit lower than
This
mid.
thing's pretty good.
Yeah, not bad.
Pretty good.
Not bad for what it is, right?
Yeah.
Easy.
I almost fell for the camera. I was like, oh, the bike's not coming back.
I did the
This
same
is
exact
so
thing.
smooth.
I was like, oh.
Yeah, it
You're like
feels.
floating. It's
I was
great.
like, oh,
Yup,
It's
this ain't
longer.
bad.
It's longer.
larger
It's
for the
nicer.
camera, it says-
Makes sense, right?
Yep.
Way up on the second table, and then I was like, oh shit, there's big creatures. I'm like, oh shit.
All right.
I got
Oh god.
cool.
It feels different.
The bars, the reach is way shorter on this.
Yes.
But the standover is a lot higher too at the same time.
I mean, like it folds.
No, like off the top, because it's coil,
Yeah.
is good.
It sprints.
It's just that it tops up hard whenever you go get air.
So what's next? Actually, what I should do is just
Load up the preload.
preload.
I'm heavier than I was last year.
Didn't make that one.
As I was following Pete and he did the X up in person, I was like, wait, did he just do that? So reviewing the footage, yes, he did do it. And even Pete was like, I dreamt I did it. Well, he certainly did.
Is that what it is?
Go, this was a little faster.
I ain't hitting that one. Damn, what a fucking clap.
I was always weak with Tempest, couldn't quite get the flow, but due to this being opening day, this is as smooth as it's gonna get, and this is the best I have ever ran Tempest, and I think I finally got the hang of the flow, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to beat this time on the DH bike. This is definitely a perfect trail for the hardtail. Yes, I probably would ride the Ozark Trail down Tempest, but I do not think I'll be anywhere near this fast, and I probably won't hit all the drops either.
I just like sending that big table. You can send it as deep as you want with the gun.
Perfectly? Yeah.
Okay,
Because we're on the same bike.
let's go. Oh, almost didn't make that one. Shit.
My foot came off partially on the left pedal.
I did not make that
after
one.
this jump here, and I was trying so hard to put my foot back on straight.
Foot came off the pedal. Oh my god! Holy shit! That's always my kryptonite. I ain't gonna make it up the Red Bull. My foot was half off going into the potato chip. So I did that. I mean, on off.
You did salvation.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Nice.
I did. My foot.
You told us you weren't going to do it.
Nah, my foot was half off doing the on off. Then once I did the fucking bridge.
Yeah, I did. I got it in my head.
No, my foot was like this. I was trying to like put it back before I got back on the on off.
In my head, I was like, do I have enough speed? Is there, am I going to, let's go. And then I was off of it. It was fun.
That was fun, but
Fuck yeah.
my foot came off. Can't believe I cased that.
Today was actually the first time I have ridden with this entire big group of people.
Oh my god, my foot got bounced
My usual
off.
group like TJ and Jose also joined in, but it's all thanks to Denny Janetti for getting all of us together, because apparently nobody knew each other prior to meeting Denny. So yeah, these guys are a sick group to ride with, and I am shocked at how organized and how smooth the ride was with 8 to 11 riders deep. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.